Hello, welcome back to my channel Mr. Science. I hope you all are good and fine. So today we are going to cover the C processor. So as you can see, it is the definition of C processor. It is a program that processes our source program before it is passed to the compiler, and it is also known as directives. So C processor, I have an example. As you can see here, these two lines are C preprocessors. So before your program is delivered to compiler, it will execute first. This will execute on first priority. So first of all, has include this preprocessor are called file inclusion. So there are four type of directives. So and second one is macro expansion. So this will include a studio.h file which is present in our library files. If you go to your C folder where your C compiler exists, so there you will see a library folder. Then you will get these header files, and you can create your own also, your own header files where you can include stdio's functionality and CONIO's functionality, math functionality in a single header file, and you can rename it as you want. So let's talk about first one, macro expansion. So this is used to define a like global variable. So here, as you can see, the upper is a global variable. So we can use this global variable throughout the program in every functions, including main. So you can use this upper anywhere in the program. So as you can see, and always remember that preprocessor always start with hash symbol, and the macro expansion variable here in macro expansion variable will be in uppercase. To remember it, we can use lower, but it doesn't make any sense, so we have to use always capital, so we can remember it that it is a macro expansion. So let me compile this program. So as you can see, this is this is this will print 20 digits numbers. So it is using this variable as 20, and it will printing the 20 lines. So you can use one more thing, like you have to use suppose you have to include the area of a circle, and you need to uh, find some values. Like you need pi value in your program for many areas and volume, anything. So you can define pi here like this, and you can use this value also in your program. So we have we can assign variable, and we can also assign some conditional operator. Like if we want to sign this, we don't want to use this double ampersand operator, so we can use in this manner, and we can use this and instead of double ampersand, and as similar we can use or instead of pipe symbol. So this is the expression, and we can use expression also, like if we want to add suppose some we have to make a expression where we can include a range and we can define like greater. Suppose, so here we can say if A is equal to B and A is equal to C. So you can define here like int A is equal to 20 and 30, anything else, and you can give like if greater is true, then you can say A is a greatest number. A is the greatest number. So you can do in this way, and you can make another greater B. You can say it greater A. Then you can create greater B, greater C, and then you can use uh, these expression to calculate the greatest one. So, and the second one, you can use macros with argument. So here, if you want to calculate the area of a circle, so you simply need to pass the radius of a circle, and then you can add the functionality complete expression, the formula of area 3 pi square. Here you just need to pass the value of x. You can pass anything, and you can like area, and area will be area A. Let me convert into small. Oh, we should take it in float. I think it should work. So as you can see, let me open the calculator if it is working fine or not. So it is returning right result. So we can simply pass argument here, and it will calculate the area of circle. So you can use macro function like this, and in next chapter we will cover about file inclusion. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.